Welcome to our roundup of the top 5 best vacuum cleaners of 2026, the ultimate cleaning companions for your home. Whether you're a busy parent dealing with constant messes, a pet owner struggling with hair on carpets, or someone who wants a spotless home with minimal effort, we've handpicked the top vacuum cleaners that deliver powerful suction, versatility, and convenience. We'll break down each model's key features like suction power, battery life, attachments, and design, so you can find the ideal vacuum for your living space. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in and discover your perfect cleaning partner. Starting with the Bissell Power Clean Cordless Vacuum. This model is perfect for homeowners who want a lightweight yet powerful machine for everyday messes. Bissell has a long-standing reputation for creating reliable and user-friendly cleaning solutions, and the Power Clean Cordless lives up to that legacy. It features a powerful lithium-ion battery providing up to 40 minutes of runtime, a multi-surface brush roll for carpets and hard floors, and a motorized pet tool that makes picking up pet hair effortless. Its cordless design ensures hassle-free mobility around your home, while the LED headlights help illuminate hidden dirt. Users praise its strong suction, easy maneuverability, and versatility, though some note the dustbin is on the smaller side and requires frequent emptying. Overall, it's an excellent choice for quick, efficient cleaning with the convenience of cordless operation. Next, the Eureka Power Speed Cleaner is ideal for those who need a lightweight yet wide-reach vacuum for large areas. Eureka has a strong reputation for producing dependable, high-performance vacuums at budget-friendly prices. This model features a powerful 5-amp motor, a large dust cup, and a variety of attachments including a crevice tool, dusting brush, and upholstery nozzle. Its multi-surface brush roll handles carpets and hard floors with ease, while the 25-foot cord provides extended reach for larger rooms. Users love its affordability, large capacity, and lightweight design, though the corded setup limits mobility compared to cordless models. Ideal for families or anyone tackling bigger cleaning jobs who values efficiency without breaking the bank. The Shark Upright Vacuum Cleaner comes next, perfect for those seeking superior suction power and advanced cleaning technology. Shark is known for creating innovative vacuums that combine smart design with robust performance. This model features the Duo Clean system with bristle and soft roller brushes for carpets and hard floors, powerful suction to lift embedded dirt, and a HEPA filter to trap dust and allergens. It also includes swivel steering for easy navigation around furniture and an XL dust cup for fewer interruptions. Users praise its excellent cleaning performance, smooth handling, and allergen-trapping capability, though it can be a bit heavy for some. Overall, this vacuum is ideal for anyone looking for a reliable and high-performing machine for deep cleaning. The Bissell CleanView Vacuum Cleaner is perfect for households with pets or heavy foot traffic. Bissell is recognized for its strong suction and pet-friendly features. This vacuum offers a triple-action brush roll that lifts dirt, hair, and debris from multiple surfaces efficiently, edge-to-edge cleaning with tapered brush design, and a large dirt cup to reduce emptying frequency. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to maneuver around furniture and stairs, while the included pet tools handle hair and dander effortlessly. Users love the powerful suction, budget-friendly price, and wide cleaning path, though some mention it may not pick up ultrafine dust as efficiently as premium models. Best suited for pet owners and families needing a dependable everyday vacuum. Finally, the Eureka Upright Vacuum Cleaner tops our list as a premium model offering exceptional power, versatility, and durability. Eureka's legacy of producing top-performing, easy-to-use vacuums continues with this model, which features a powerful 12-amp motor, multi-surface brush roll, HEPA filtration, and a large dust cup for extended cleaning sessions. Its swivel steering and lightweight design make navigation effortless, while attachments like a crevice tool, upholstery brush, and pet turbo brush provide complete cleaning solutions. Users praise its strong suction, quiet operation, and professional-grade cleaning performance, though the corded design may be less convenient than cordless alternatives. If you want a robust, reliable, and high-performing vacuum for your home, this is the top choice. And that wraps up our top 5 best vacuum cleaners of 2026. From the portable and cordless Bissell Power Clean, to the budget-friendly Eureka Power Speed, the high-performing Shark Upright, the versatile Bissell CleanView, and the powerful Eureka Upright, there's a vacuum for every household, need, and budget. Which one will keep your home spotless? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. Check the description for current deals and grab the perfect vacuum cleaner for your home today. Thanks for watching.